Hello everybody. In today's Trade of the Day video, the 23rd of July 2020, this is Adrian here, and we're going to be talking about Pound New Zealand on the 4-hour chart, so the S4 strategy. Two strategies on the 4-hour chart, S4 and the S4 Accelerator. Now, this is a standard S4 opportunity, which is one of our foundation strategies for our new trend signal students, and it's extremely clear to spot these trades because they've got a whopping great arrow on the chart. The entry on the close of this bar right here, 191.34 on pound against New Zealand there in the early hours of the 22nd of July. So yesterday morning, fantastic fall, and even though the market had already fallen quite a lot, what we're doing here is we're getting on that momentum, we're jumping on those turning points at those key points there, and a really nice subsequent fall, about 100 points within the next sort of 4 hours, a bit more than that after the next 8 hours. So 4-hour charts, each candlestick represents 4 hours of time, and it's a great time frame if you're self-employed, computer-based, maybe you're retired, something like that. You can look at the markets 2 or 3 times a day, and a great opportunity first thing in the morning, get that trade on. A fantastic short trade it was as well. So good 100 points there, really nice. If you're just going for the ATR as your target, that's 59 points there, and a good winner. Similarly, looking at euro sterling, and there's been some good moves on euro sterling recently. We're seeing that fantastic S4 trade there, the buy back from the 13th of July, but it's this one here that I want to look at as well. Again, yesterday morning, another sterling pair, but having a couple on is okay. And you can see again a nice move higher there. So that indicator, the vector average changing from red to green. We've got a green trend signal line there, the big arrow on the chart, making it a very clear indication of that buy, and then a good 50, 60 point rally within again the same sort of 4 to 8 hours there. So really nice opportunity. And when you're talking about 50 points move on something like a 4-hour chart, that's plenty, because you're only looking at being in these trades for 4 to 8 hours. So you're not going to be looking for like a 300 to 600 point move that maybe you can get on even higher time frames. But 20 to 50 points there, great opportunity, and a fantastically easy to identify a couple of trades there. So that's euro sterling, that's sterling New Zealand, and that's the S4 foundation strategy for our traders. Have a great week's trading, everybody.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.